Mr. Kobe, welcome to our Audience Ask segment. And here are my few quick questions to you. My first one: in what way has Steve Jobs inspired you?
I would say that he's inspired us to focus on what design does for people, and ultimately look at it both from an intuitive perspective as well as a logical one.
Super. My second one: a piece of architecture that you recommend everyone to see.
It's very difficult. I love Casa Malaparte, which is a small house on Capri. I think Maison de Verre in Paris is by Pierre Chareau is also a phenomenal little project. But I tend to enjoy projects that have some intimacy.
Beautiful. My next one: your go to source of inspiration is.
Oh wow, that's a tough one. I guess early on in my career, the greatest source of inspiration was the Eames office. Charles and Ray Eames' work in California that they did, I think it was very inspirational and has set the tone for much of the way we approach design.
Interesting. My next one: less is more or less is bored. Why?
I think maybe it's not about being less, but being essential. I don't think there's a sliding scale that if you put more of it or less of it, you're going to be right. I think what you need to do is look at what's essential, and it will lead you to the best use of resources and the best outcomes.
Excellent. And my last one: a project you wish to work on in 2021.
We're just getting started on a new innovation hub in Singapore, and it should bring together some phenomenal people, phenomenal talent, and produce hopefully the next generation of thoughtful, creative people.
Great. Thank you so much, Mr. Kobe, for doing this.
Yes, thank you.